girls, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, today I am doing graduation glam, graduation slay. I just wanted to come on and do a cute little video for you guys. I think it is so cool that everybody is graduating, so I was inspired actually by my best friends because two of them are graduating and I'm doing both of their makeup for their graduation, so I wanted to do something for you guys. And it is also a drugstore makeup tutorial, so easy, affordable, and everybody can do this tutorial. You don't have to have high-end products or Instagram products. You can literally go straight down to your local drugstore, Walmart, Walgreens, Target, all of the good stuff, and purchase these items. I'm trying out a lot of new products that I found and was sleeping on, so if you want to see how I achieve this look and get ready to graduate with me, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off with our face. Everything that I'm using is going to be strictly drugstore, things that you can get at Walgreens, Walmart, Target, CVS, like all those good places. So we're gonna start out with the skin, and I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl True Blend Based Business. This is the Skin Smoothing Primer. I've actually been using this one a lot lately. So I will say, other than the range for the foundation, the primers are actually really good. So for skin today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And I'm in the shade 370. This is my first time. Like, I went to the drugstore yesterday and got a little excited and bought a lot of stuff. I think this would be a fun video just to do a little tutorial, and an affordable one. I don't want to always have like such expensive things on my channel, so I don't know, I thought it would be fun. Let me know if you guys want to see like more stuff like this. So I'm going to be blending that out with a beauty blender. So now to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Surprisingly, a lot of this stuff was really affordable. I think the foundation was only $5, the concealer was only $5. Maybelline has some really good prices, and I got a lot of this at Walmart, so you're going to be surprised at some of the cool products that I found. So I was really excited when I went yesterday. I was just like, kind of like a kid in a candy shop. I was just like taking everything out. So this is in the color Cafe. So to contour my face, I'm going to go back to my old like holy grail, trusty dusty, like when I started out, like from the bottom right here, was the Black Radiance Cream Contour. This is their True Complexion Cream Contour Kit. So I'm going to be using this to contour my face, and I'm going to be using this dark shade right here. So to set everything in place, I was surprised to find a Maybelline like loose setting powder. Y'all, I've been sleeping on Maybelline. I didn't know they had all these little products. Honestly, I don't really shop at like Walmart or the drugstores or anything, you know, so you know, I've been asleep, but I'm about to start buying more stuff from the drugstore. My mom was kind of like, you don't need to buy nothing from the drugstore, and then I had to tell her like, you know, that's what we started off on. So I'm gonna be using one of these today. So I got two colors. So I got the dark, which is number 40, and then I got a little shade lighter, which is number 35. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna set my face with number 35 and then go over my contour with number 40. So it's kind of like a dark yellow shade. It's not too, it's kind of like if you were to mix Sacha Buttercup with a brown setting powder. So I'm gonna go and set my face with that one. And I'm not really naming the brushes because my brushes aren't drugstore, but I'm gonna be using all Morphe brushes, of course, so you can go ahead and use my code PRINCESS for some money off the next time you decide to buy from Morphe brushes. I thought this would be another cool video too because I'm doing like a full face, so you can kind of get an idea of how I do my like full face like foundation and makeup routine, but I'm not using my regular products, but still you kind of get the idea. I'm only gonna let that sit for a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off. You guys wanna know something cool? So when I was in high school and I was graduating high school, your girl got to sing the national anthem at the graduation. Now, if you didn't know this about me, I do sing, but only for my own, you know, personal entertainment, my personal satisfaction. I don't really like want to do music or anything like that, so, but I do, you know, sing a little tune and can hold a little note. But now to set my contour, I'm going to be using the dark shade, and this is number 40. Oh, this dark shade is beautiful. Look at that. I wish you guys could really see, but that is the dark shade. It doesn't look like it on camera, but it is super rich. This is nice. Okay, Maybelline. So that's what it looks like on the brush. It's a little bit richer off camera. This is going to be a full coverage tutorial just because you have to think like you're gonna be in line waiting, sitting for hours, whatever, and I know that people have to get there like an hour, 2 hours early. So you want to make sure that your foundation is, you know, bulletproof. You might cry a little bit, you know, your friends, you're not going to see them. So I'm going to be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Kit. This is the powder version of the cream one. These colors are perfect for any brown skin girls. They have a light to medium and a medium to dark. I'm going to be using the medium to dark. This is what the colors look like. To go over my highlight and my contour, I'm going to be using these two shades right here in the palette. They are called Sculpt and Contour, so I'm going to be using those. Go into this color first, and this is just going to bring some color and like yellowness back into my face because I am looking a little on the pale side, or like way too cool tone side. So it's so funny, like when you stop using a product and then you start using it again. Like, I love the shade of this. And now I'm gonna go into the contour shade. This came out good. I was feeling a little nervous, but this came out real nice. For like, the foundation was nice, has nice coverage, the concealer, the powders. Okay, Maybelline and Black Radiance come through with the shades. So now we are going to move on to the eyes. I found these really cute eyeshadow palettes by Wet n Wild that I wanted to try out. I found a lot of really cool drugstore makeup, and I think I'm going to do a drugstore haul maybe later on down the road, but I found these two eyeshadow palettes. I thought they were really cute and the colors are really nice. I'm going to show you guys up close what they look like. So the first palette I found was this one, and it's called Not a Basic Bee. I thought the colors were really cute in this one. More like summer, springy. You have a couple oranges and like some shimmer colors, so I thought this one was cute. And then the next one that I found was this one. This one is called Rose in the Air. This one is more on the neutral side. Still, you could do a cute glam with this. So I think I'm gonna go into both of these palettes. So the first color I'm gonna go into is this orange shade right here. Let's see how pigmented this is. And I'm gonna take that into my transition. Okay, I like that color. That's a nice color. Now I'm jumping into the Rose in the Air palette, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here to go into my crease. This color kind of just deepened this up a little bit rather than it being so bright orange. I kind of want this to be subtle, so I put that in there just to deepen it up a little bit and kind of just like to blow it out. So still working in the Rose in the Air palette, I'm going to be taking this darker shade right here, and I'm going to focus this on the outer corner of my eye and a little bit into the crease. So me, I was in school for broadcast journalism and communications, and I was also a student athlete. I ran track and field. I ran track and field since I was in 10th grade. And then, so that was in 2009-10, and I recently stopped running in like 2016-17 kind of, so like last year. And I am a hurdler, a proud hurdler, but yeah. So I was in school, but then like I was just kind of feeling like I wasn't going anywhere or achieving anything, like because I still couldn't get a job and I was like so broke and working retail. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna take a break. But this year I decided that I'm gonna go back to school in the fall. So your girl's gonna be a scholar and a YouTuber. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the crease, nothing crazy. I'm just gonna take it to the middle and kind of do like a ombre type of thing, and it'll be super simple, I promise. Nothing like outrageous where you can't do it and you need like 3 hours to do it. So I'm gonna take that same concealer and we are just going to take it, boom, just like that. I kind of like when my tutorials are kind of like build a makeup look. That's how I just feel. I come on here and I don't know what I'm going to create, what I'm going to do. I kind of just have to inspire myself with what I have in front of me, which I feel like really pushes my creativity rather than knowing what I'm going to do. So we're going to call this build a look. From this palette, you can't really see, but there is this kind of like pearl shimmer color in here that I really want to use. That picks up nicely on the brush. So much came off. So for liner today, I'm going to be using something that I already had in my makeup collection. It's the Maybelline Master Precise Ink Liquid Liner, and this is in the color Black Comet. So before we get into lashes, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. I've used this in another video and I kind of am obsessed with this. This is one of my favorite drugstore mascaras. You guys want to know something funny? So way back when, on the subject of me talking about how I sing, and I sang the national anthem for my high school. So I was into singing a while ago, and I had a little YouTube account. I don't know the name, I don't know the password, I don't know the email, none of it, but I definitely did have a YouTube channel where I would sing covers of songs. And I don't know if I hit them all or what they are under, but I would be totally terrified if someone found them. But definitely, like, I want to find them though. So So for lashes, I ended up picking up 2 kinds. They're both by Kiss. I think I'm gonna go with these ones, which are a little bit more dramatic. I kind of want this look to stand out and still be cute. Go ahead and wear these ones, and these are the Kiss Lash Couture, the 5th Avenue collection. So I went ahead and applied my lashes. Now we're gonna move on to the highlight portion, and I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. This is in the color, oh, okay. It's called Crown of My Canopy. So for lips, I got a couple colors in the Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. I got 3 colors. I got 15, which is called Lover, which is this pink toned one. Then I got 75, which is called Fighter, which is this color. And then I got 70, which is called Amazonian, which is kind of like a salmon color. So I think I'm gonna go with this color right here. I also got a lip liner. This is the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner, and this is in 160, which is called Rich Wine. So that is the color. And there you have it. Go ahead and throw on your little cap and gown. Go slay at your graduation. Go ahead and dun 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 dun, dun. Turn your thing to the side. You know, give them a couple when they hand you your diploma, your associate's degree, your master's, your bachelor's, your PhD. Go ahead and grab that, slay for the camera. There you have it. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Congratulations to all the graduates. I hope you guys have an amazing graduation, either from high school, college, training school, medical school, whatever it is. Just celebrate. Congratulations. Give yourself a pat on the back, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button, and don't forget to check out one of these videos, and I will see you guys next time.